guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We are off on a drive with the Porsche Crew today. We're heading off to an event which Highball have organised, Highball Country. We're here in Lilydale. There's a few of us out. Joseph's up there in his Lotus, but we've got a collection of Porsches out with us today. We're in the 930. We're trying not to do too many close-ups because we haven't washed it since Luftwaffe. But the crew are here. We're going to get a coffee and then we're going to head off. So we're out and about. The AMG did really well. Got the drone up. There it is. We might have got some decent footage. There's some good cars with us today. We've got a Toyota Yaris here. It's the GR. Look at that. We're down at Memorial Drive, so there's a load of trees and things down here, trying not to get run over in the middle of the road. We're trying to get some shots. Everybody's here. It's actually a really nice day out. So we're going to fang the drone around a little bit and see what shots we can kind of get. So I know we've got a load of Porsches with us today, but we are going to see if we can get their AMG just parked up here on the side of the road. We'll get the drone and we'll see if we can get some shots behind it. So here we are, we've just arrived at the Highball event. It's a little bit off-road here, which is kind of nice. We had some fun with the drone, that was entertaining. And we're just kind of driving in now. Nice little spot. Look at this down here, this is pretty cool. It's a little bit low underneath, so I don't think we would have got the 356 down here. It's not a bad little spot at all. It's nice seeing the cars through there. That would actually be a nice photo if I could actually take one around here. We're wandering in. How cool's that? So we've had a blast in the 930. She does blow a little bit when you hit the rev limiter, and the first time she always blows a bit of a puff of smoke, black smoke, so the turbo does burn a little bit of a, oh god, look at her, she's a ride on this. She is. It needs a good old wash, but she's running really well other than the big puff, but no problems at all. Everybody's here, so we had a right old group with us. Like we said, we'd had the Yaris here. We've got a collection of Porsches. I'm going to try and take some pictures of this 993 going through all the red forest I think we saw as we were coming in. So I think that against the red would look really nice. Teason's here with his Targa, takes us out on track regularly. Stephen helps us never get lost. Matt and the guys are here. Ozzy, I think, has had an unfortunate workplace injury that has made him lose the ability to drive around a corner and use his right foot. So he's been a little bit slow today, bless him. And then this joined us for the drive. So we've mentioned this a couple of times today. AMG GT. It's in the solar beam yellow, but it's had a fair few mods. Tuned exhaust, and then on the front end here it's all carbon fibre. Look at that. So normally they've got like a great big silver grille here, but that is all carbon fibre. It's not a wrap, it's a full carbon fibre front end kit for it. Look at that. I'm hoping we've got some good shots of this with the drone, but we'll wait and see, because that can sometimes be a bit hit and miss. Not as bad as the Insta360, but it can be a bit hit and miss. But that looks great. I love one of these. But prices pre-COVID were actually pretty sensible, and then since COVID has hit, these have more than doubled in price. So we've gone from one GT to another. We did have a Panamericana 356 on the channel not too long ago, but this is actually an AMG GT Panamericana car. Look at that. Don't see many of those very often. That's really interesting. And it looks like it's got these metal covers on the windows. It must just be to provide some kind of protection. I don't know what you're protecting yourself from with those, but look at that. That's a little odd. A cracking looking car. Great big bonnet strap. And there it is. Got a Maloo here, Pro Drag Series wheels on it. I'm a big fan of these.
Yeah. I used to have an SSV. It was good fun.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of a Maloo. I know there is an SVJ next to us, which we've seen a couple of times, but that Maloo...
The collection.
Is there? Oh jeez, look at that. That is a mess. Yeah.
And the exhaust at the back too, I reckon.
But yeah, clogged up. Aston Martin V12, look at that. We nearly walked past this, but it's nice that they've got the bonnet up, because it is a V12. There's the plaque. Look at that. Stuart Bolt built it. So here we go, we're walking up here. We've got the guys, they are coming back around. They'll have to wander around that way where those cars are going out now. But we're going to try and get them down here and try and take some photos down here. This rapidly becomes part of my exercise plan because normally, as you can see, I'm out of breath. I'm having to leg it somewhere to take some photos. However, it should be epic. So like everybody here, we've decided to take some photos. Golf over there, 993 here, and then behind them, there is a load of people there as well. As you can see, the red in the trees is really nice. Should go against the Targa really well. So we're trying to get some shots here. Lovely turbo, that is. And I'm hoping that's going to turn out to be a good shot. We've got some shots with the guys down there. But it's a hell of a location. We might actually try a little bit further down there because that might be a little bit better. Strangely, we're off-road. We didn't expect this today because we checked with some of the guys at the show and they said the road was fine. But I've got a feeling we were probably talking about different roads. I don't think it's like this for very long, but it's long enough. So it turns out it's gravel for 31 kilometres, so we're going to do a U-turn because that is not ideal. Well, there's a few of us still, which is nice. But we've all gone on the completely different road and we are off-road. There we go. 31 kilometres that way. It's all going to be dirt. Everybody has turned around. I think we're just about to have a bit of a chat to see where the hell we're going because nobody kind of knows. You were right.
My fucker.
Yeah, but he was right because you said it was dirt, didn't you?
I did.
You, however.
Usually I just keep following it, off we go.
Yeah, well, I thought it'd be fine as well because I spoke to some guys today and they said it was all good. Apparently, we're just talking about a different road.
Up there it's
This
left.
way would be left.
Left. Because we come from the right.
Okay.
And then we'll end up at the rooftop pub.
So I think it's left because we're coming from the right.
We turn left.
Yeah.
Left, yeah.
Yeah.
But we turn left unless you want to go Deliverance way.
No, we're not going to.
Yeah.
All right, we know where we're
Be a
going.
star of the show this week.
Yeah. I think we know where we're going now. Yeah. Are you relieved?
I'm relieved, but when we get there, believe.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a blast of a day. We've been out since the crack of dawn. It's about 4 o'clock now. We have had an absolute blast. Thanks to Highball for organising the event. Their location was absolutely fantastic. We missed a few cars, which we're probably going to have to try and catch up with next time. The anniversary 911 and the 993 RS. I think we need to catch up with those very soon. So we'll do a bit of a loop round and see if we can find the owners of those. We had a great drive. Hope the footage turned out well and so did the photos. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.